Hi everyone, this is Anne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use the nested if function. And the nested if function that will give us different return value. So for example, here what I want to see is a very satisfied customer satisfaction if the customer rating is a 5. If the customer rating is a 4, then the return value will be satisfied. If it's a 3, that'll be neutral, 2 for dissatisfied, and 1 for very dissatisfied. But if it's a blank, then I want to see a blank too. So let's start. First is you just have to type if and open parenthesis. And then you go to the cell. You can just use the left arrow. So if B2 is equal to 5, then the return value will be very satisfied. But instead of putting the return value if it's not equal to 5, I will just use another if. So if B2 is equal to 4, then return value is satisfied. Then another if B2 is equal to 3 and the return value is neutral. If B2 is equal to 2, then the return value is dissatisfied. Sorry about the spelling. If this is equal to 1, then it's very dissatisfied. And then if it's nothing or otherwise, or that means if it doesn't fall in any of these criteria, then it's just a blank. I can just use one parenthesis and automatically Excel will give me a suggestion. But if I don't want to see that error, then just count the number of open parentheses that you have. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that means you need 5 close parentheses. So I already have one there. I just have to add 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There. So to do that again, equal sign, if this is equal to 5, then return value is very satisfied. If this is equal to 4, then return value is satisfied. If this is equal to 3, then it's neutral. If this is equal to 2, it's dissatisfied. If this is equal to 1, then it's very dissatisfied. Otherwise, it's just blank. So what if I just use one close parenthesis? This is what I will get. So instead of not getting this error, I got this because it should be like this, which means I missed 4 more close parentheses, but I just have to click yes, and then that's it. I can drag this down, but just to show you guys again how to create the nested if formula, it's if. You may use tab, then left arrow equals, then put 5, comma, put quotation very satisfied, comma, if tab left arrow equals 4, comma, double quotation, satisfied, comma, if tab left arrow equals 3, comma, double quotation, neutral, comma, if tab left arrow equals 2, comma, dissatisfied, comma, another if tab left arrow equals 1, comma, double quotation, very dissatisfied, double quotation, comma, double quotation, space, double quotation. Then you can just count the number of open parentheses you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. There you go. I can drag this, and let's see, if I change this to 1, I should get very dissatisfied. If I change this to 3, it should be neutral. If it's a 4, it should be satisfied. A 2 is dissatisfied. And if it's nothing, it should be a blank. There you go. I hope that you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope that you learned something new today. And thank you for watching. Please do not forget to click the like button, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.